Okay, so we have a change to CTME, and in order to create a new listing contract, you have kind of to do a new step. So you create a new contract, you click whether you're doing the listing or the buy. We're going to start with the listing. You create selected contracts, and then once you get into this screen, which looks normal, you have to click on this orange link right down here, create by copying from an existing contract. So you click there, and then once you're inside, click on Display Company Templates. You always want to go there so you're getting the most current template for Coldwell Banker. Right now we're in 2020, so you click on the Coldwell Banker. Then once you come back to this screen, nothing really changes. You have to hit Save, and that applies all of the changes. Now it automatically puts a name in the client. So you take that out and you put the person's name that you're building the contract for. And then as you scroll down, you have the rest of the information that you will put in. But this is the section that puts the, we're on the list side, so the 6%, but it also includes the $259. So we've put that down here in sales commission. And then if you scroll all the way back down, let me see here. If you scroll down to additional provisions, all the provisions that Coldwell Banker, puts in the contract are right here. So you just hit Save after you filled that out, and then if you go to the print preview or the PDF, it's all right in there. Let me see here, the 6% and your $259, and then if you go down to the additional provisions, everything is located right here. So you're no longer having to type those in. So that's how you do the listing. The buy contract is exactly the same. You just click on a different one, but we'll go through that just once. So you create a new contract, and when you go down here to exclusive right to buy the listing, create. Again, you're clicking on the orange link, create by copying from an existing contract. Then you click on the purple Display Company Templates in the 2020. You always want to pick from there. Again, it's where it takes the most current. You always have to click Save. If you just start going down, not everything comes in. So hit Save. And then you can go through, fill out your client's name. And then if you scroll down right here, there's the fee plus the $259. There's some right there, the additional $259. And then the additional provisions are also right here in this section. So this is how you can get to using the new exclusive right without having to put this in. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.